Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the previous sessions, we had looked into the arithmetic operators, the comparison or relational operators, the assignment operators, the bitwise operators. In this session, let's look into the logical operators present in Python programming language. Logical operators are of three types. The first one is the logical AND, represented by AND in small letters. The next one is the logical OR, represented by OR. And the third one is the logical NOT, represented by NOT. So let's look into the logical AND, how it works in Python. For logical OR, suppose there is an expression called X and Y. Here X represents one test expression and Y represents the other second test expression. So firstly, it checks for the X condition. X test expression it checks. If the expression returns out to be false, then the output becomes false. If the test expression turns out to be true, then it checks for the second test expression, that is Y. And if Y turns out to be false, the output becomes false. And if Y turns out to be true, the output turns out to be true. The final output turns out to be true. So, this is how the logical AND works in Python. So, for the test for initially, I say X equal to 5, Y equal to 5. Initially, let me take my A equal to 5, B equal to 5. And the test expression X is equal to A greater than 2. And Y, the second test expression is B greater than 2. Now, if I say X logical AND Y, so the expression is for X is A greater than 2. So it checks over here, the X condition is getting checked. It checks if A is greater than 2. A is 5, so A is greater than 2. It turns out to be true, so it checks for the next condition, that is the Y condition. What is the Y condition? B is greater than 2. So B is also greater than 2, so the output turns out to be true. Now, let me take my X expression as 10. A greater than 10. So, here it checks is A greater than 10. This is false. So, the output becomes false. It does not check for the second test expression. Since the initial X expression turns out to be false, the final output becomes false. And now, if I say my X is greater than 2 and Y is greater than 10. In this case, X is greater than 2 is true. So the condition becomes true and it comes to the Y expression checking. B, that is B greater than 10. This turns out to be false. So the output becomes false. So this is how the logical AND works in Python. It works on test expressions. That is A greater than 2, B greater than 10. So that it works on, and based on that, it will turn out to be a true or a false or a true. So the final output will be a Boolean type of either false or true. Only when both the expressions turn out to be true, the output is true, else the output becomes false. So this is how the logical AND works in Python. Now let's move on to the logical OR condition. Logical OR, it is represented by small or. So for this, let me take my A and B as 5 and 5. So it will check for the condition X or X or Y. So this is the expression. Here X is one expression and Y is another test expression. Initially, it will check for the condition X. If X turns out to be true, then the final output becomes true. If X turns out to be false, it will check for the Y condition. If Y turns out to be true, the final output will become true. If Y also turns out to be false, the final output becomes false. So this is how the logical OR works in Python. So my X is a test expression where I take A greater than 2. Y is another test expression B greater than 2. Initially, it will check for the X condition. X greater than 2. X is greater than 2, so it will return the final output as true. If one of the condition turns out to be true, the output becomes true. So it won't check for the remaining conditions. So now if I take my X is greater than 10, Y is greater than 2. So here A is greater than 10. So A is greater than 10. So my X condition becomes false. So it checks for Y. In Y it checks if B is greater than 2. B is greater than 2. So it returns the output true. So, and one more condition is X is less than 2. X is greater than 10. X is greater than 10 and A is greater than 10 and B is also greater than 10. So here X is having the expression A greater than 10. So it checks if A is greater than 10. A is not greater than 10, so it is a false. So it checks for Y. B is greater than 10. B is also not greater than 10, so it comes out to the false condition and prints the output as false. So it returns a boolean value either false or true depending on the condition. So if one of the condition turns out to be true, the value will be true. Else, if both the condition turns out to be false, then the output becomes false. So this is how the logical OR works in Python. B is equal to 1. Or you can take only one condition over here. And now let's check for the logical NOT. The third one is the logical NOT. The symbol is NOT NOT. So here I am having the expression NOT of X. X will have the condition X is equal to A greater than X is having the condition A greater than 2. So in this case, for NOT of X, initially it will check for the condition X. And it will return, if the condition turns out to be true, the final output becomes false. That is the negation. NOT of true is false. And if the condition turns out to be false, the final output turns out to be true. Now, here my X is having the expression A greater than 2. A is greater than 2. So, A is greater than 2. The result is true. So the Boolean output, final Boolean output returns to be false. Now suppose I take my A is greater than 10. A is greater than 10. So in this case, A is greater than 10. The result turns out to be false. So the final output turns out to be true. So this is how the logical NOT works in Python. Hope so friends, this is clear for you. The logical AND, the logical OR and the logical NOT operations in Python. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new video. Till then, see you. Bye bye.